Today, Mountain Air Adventures is taking you fishing on Little Heffley Lake. Looks promising. We've seen a few fish jump already. Who's that banyak? We got Lambert, we got chairs with pillows, we got Chipalina. Keep it up, bringing in. Is it a big one?
I don't know, he's a fighter.
Brought up just a little bit more. Hey, Papa, what's up? Fish. Ooh, it's a nice one. Keep down, keep it in the water.
Yes.
Look at that. So, Fish Slayer, what did you do?
I slayed a fish.
Look at how pretty this is.
That's really nice in here.
Hey, a shout out to Milton in Ecuador. Martín, mi hermano.
Shout out to Myra.
Oh, Myra.
Emma.
And Emma.
And
Mattia.
Jorge and Mattia.
Look what we got here.
Still there.
The great blue heron is one of British Columbia's most recognizable wetland birds, standing over a meter tall.
That'd be a nice house.
It's almost like, oh.
That there, somewhere, there it is an osprey.
The osprey is one of British Columbia's most impressive birds of prey, a familiar sight around lakes and rivers. It's often called the fishhawk.
Okay, here's Axel the fish there.
Little Heffley Lake is a small, scenic rainbow trout lake located about 35 kilometers northeast of Kamloops. Despite its modest size, the lake offers a consistently productive stock rainbow trout fishery. Little Heffley, with easy boat access, a public dock, and calm waters, is an excellent destination for anglers in small boats,
Little
kayaks,
fish fry.
pontoons, or even
And
float
fry.
tubes.
He's a fighter. Okay.
This is the Canadian loon.
The common loon is one of Canada's most iconic birds, the true symbol of the country's wilderness.
Keep his Canadian Looney Tune.
It's got babies.
Its legs are positioned far back of its body, which makes it awkward on land, but it is an agile hunter underwater.
What?
They eat fish, so we know we're in a fish area. They're really close to the boat, and they just dove under. Those are some pretty ominous clouds. Look how black these are. Well, that was a nice day fishing. Looked like it was going to storm, but we should have stayed out in the lake because it went beautiful.
In the great outdoors, forever